Here I am, not as I should be, but as I am. Still, you call me. I beseech you, therefore, brethren, by the mercies of God, that ye present your bodies a living sacrifice, holy, acceptable unto God, which is your reasonable service. I bring the weight of every thought, every burden that I fought, every moment I held tight. I release it in your light. No more hiding, no disguise. You can see through all I hide. I lay it down, I finally see you don't need perfection, just me.
We enter in,
not by chance.
we choose the door,
We take the stance.
enter into his gates with thanksgiving, and into his courts with praise.
I lay it all down
Every fear, every crown,
at your feet. I surrender now. I lay it all down
till there's nothing but you.
All I want
Is to behold you. What I magnify begins to rise, so I lift you in my eyes. Every worry starts to fall. You are greater than it all. You increase, I fade away. Every shadow loses shade. In your presence I can see you are always covering me. Oh, magnify the Lord with me, and let us exalt his name together.
we lift you high.
Till all else falls aside,
You alone.
are glorified.
We lift you high.
Till our hearts realign,
You are greater.
every time. Create in me,
A clean heart, O God,
renew in me,
a right spirit.
burn away what is not like you.
Tear down what I built without you.
Search me,
Know me,
strip me,
mold me.
create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. Now I bow, I take my place, face to ground before your grace. You are God and I am yours, nothing else I'm living for. Oh, come, let us worship and bow down. Let us kneel before the Lord, our Maker.
Holy,
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 you are worthy.
holy,
Holy,
holy.
we adore you, oh God. In your presence, fullness thrives, not a feeling, but where you give. Joy is found inside your nearness, not in chasing, but in stillness.
In thy presence is fullness of joy.
Fix my eyes on you alone. everything else is overthrown. Looking unto Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith. From glory to glory,
you are changing me.
from glory to glory,
I am not who I used to be.
unveiled before you, nothing left to hide. Your glory is rewriting everything inside. But we all, with open face, beholding as in a glass the glory of the Lord, are changed. One thing, one desire, to dwell, to stay, to behold the beauty of the Lord. One thing have I desired of the Lord, that will I seek after.
We behold you,
We behold you,
not a moment.
but forever.
We behold you,
We
behold you
we will dwell.
in your presence.
Not visiting,
Dwelling.
behold.